Your shark floor head is spinning perfectly, but it's just not picking up from the carpet like it should be. You're starting to think you're going mad. The suction from the handle is good, you can't find any blockages, the filters are clean, and also the hose on the floor head itself isn't split or damaged. It just doesn't make any sense at all, but I'm starting to see this issue more and more, and especially when people have been doing the correct checks. This common issue is with the sole plate, the part that's on the bottom of your floor head. If that's not been refitted properly, it creates a gap between the floor head and the carpet. So everything looks like it's working, it's all spinning, but the brushes aren't coming into contact with the carpet, and the seal between the vacuum and the carpet has been broken. So the suction is absolutely appalling. It's an easy fix. We're just going to remove the sole plate again by undoing the locking screws, and then on the front there's these two little tabs. Make sure they go in first. That is the issue. If they don't go in first, they create this gap. So make sure they're in first, and then push the sole plate into position, do up your screws, and try your vacuum cleaner again. You should notice an incredible difference. It's a simple thing, but one I'm seeing more and more of. But if you're still not happy with the suction on your Shark vacuum cleaner, your blockage may be hidden totally out of sight. Sometimes I even miss them. This next video is a surefire way of finding a blockage on your vacuum. Also, if you have a stick vacuum, the video above it is showing you another hidden space where the blockage can lie.